What up, everybody? It is Crypto Moose in the Moose is Loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do is go over the coin market cap of the top 10 projects. It looks like we got Tron in the number 10 position. So let's just do a quick market update, go over, what's doing good. Today is August 11th, 2023. So also, if you do like this video, guys, I'd appreciate it if you like, comment, and definitely subscribe. That's going to help us out the most here on the channel. So let's get right into it. Right now I've got CoinMarketCap pulled up. So that's going to be coinmarketcap.com. And Bitcoin's at 29,396. It's been stagnant, especially on the month. Yeah, it hasn't been doing too much. So at the height, at least of this year, I think it was 31. So on the 1 year, yeah, we're doing good on the year though. At least from this low of 16, we're doing pretty good. Yeah, we went down to 16,625. And, if you got in at that dip, you'd be doing well on the year. But of course, all time, we've definitely taken a little hit as of recent. But long story short, we're doing good with Bitcoin long term, right? So it looks like this was the bottom, 16. We could probably go a little bit lower. I don't know. I think 20 is the low. If we do go towards 20,000, if anything, that's good in my eyes because that will allow me to accumulate more Bitcoin going forward. So this is an absolutely scarce, desirable asset in my eyes. It's becoming more decentralized every day. So that's Bitcoin doing well. Not a lot of news on Bitcoin, but I mean, every month, every week, every day, Bitcoin is just cementing itself as the digital store of value, right? It is the OG. So Bitcoin, still remaining sexy. So we got Ethereum. Ethereum's had a good little run this month. So let's look at the 1 year. Yeah, the 1 year is looking a lot better. I know on the month though, it's had a couple little, like from here 18 to almost 19, down here from 18 to where it is now. Yeah, I guess you would say it's a little bit low than on the month. But the 1 year, again, similar to Bitcoin, it's got a very similar trajectory, right? So if you're picking up ETH at 1,200, picking up ETH at 1,100 here, there, 11.8, you'd be sitting good. I don't see Ethereum going much lower than where it is. Obviously, you have the PayPal news. So PayPal has their PYUSD stablecoin. So basically, you'll be able to swap your USD, your dollar, on your PayPal account for the PYUSD, which is an ERC20 based token built on Ethereum's blockchain. So that's bullish news in my opinion for ETH. So ETH doing pretty good, doing very good. Comment down below what you guys believe in. Tether, we're not even going to talk about Tether. Tether, an absolute joke. I would stay away from it. I just think it's sketchy. Some speculate it's not backed by real assets. Now again, that would be bad for the market, right? You're talking about 83 billion in a market cap. That's 8x of what Cardano is now. But Tether, I just don't believe in it. I believe in USD more. So if you are going to use a stable coin, not telling you what to get or what to do, but personally, I use USD. I stay away from Tether. Binance BNB, Tether's double that. But Binance Coin, probably a good buy. 240, not bad. XRP, amazing news this year. It had that huge run up, right? So them winning that case was very massive. So let's take a look at the 1 year. Yeah, this is where recently it just went from 40 cents to like 80. So on the year, you're doing good if you're in XRP. XRP could be a big play. I'm starting to research it more. Responsible for cross-border payments. It's been designed to really work for currencies, right, around the world. I don't really own a lot of XRP, but could be a good option. USDC, it's at the dollar mark, not doing bad at all. Dogecoin, doing all right since Twitter's X. I believe that very shortly, right now we're August 11th, 2023. My prediction is that Dogecoin will be integrated with Twitter, also known as X. So that's going to be something I believe will be implemented very soon, sooner than people think. Cardano, my favorite coin right now, doing all right, 29 cents. I see a $7 to $8 Cardano by 2025. I really do. So a couple years. Solana, $24, doing good on the year. Now Tron, this project's been around for a while. I think it was basically called the Chinese Ethereum a long time ago, but Tron's making moves. Tron is making moves. This is one project that could do really well next bull run. What was the high? 10 cents here. Yeah, it could do well. Tron could do very well. That's basically it. You got Tron at 10, Matic, layer 2 solution for ETH. A lot of potential. So we're going to keep this video short and sweet. Just want to do a quick coin market cap update. Comment down below your top 3 coins I'd like to know. We also have a free Cardano mini course for you guys. So check out that link on the YouTube channel. Click here. And we also have it in the description below. So this will get you up to speed with everything Cardano related. We also have links for you to save up to 20% off your Trezor if you want to pick up a solid cold storage wallet. And yeah, that's all we have for you guys. So that being said, the moose is loose. Got to go. Cheers, everybody.